understood that the users of maxi scooter segment, well, depending on which type of scooter they are buying, they have a different approach of the scooter world. So this is why Bridgestone introduced a dual approach in the scooter rental segment. In terms of elements, I will start with SC2, which is the more sporty, like Nico said in his presentation, that the SC2 is the more sporty approach, dry-oriented, and is inheriting the whole technical background of our hypersport tire, S21, that you already know. So in terms of pattern design, it has been adapted to the smaller sizes of the scooter segment, but it has the technical advantage. The 3D end grooves that is covering from S21 are now also available in SC2. In terms of construction and compounding, well, we are adopting the MSB construction, which is one of our main construction processes that we are using in our high-tech end tires from Hypersport and Sport Touring, but also a 3LC configuration in the rear in terms of compounding to make sure that we have a wear-resistant center compound, but also the grip and contact feel that you need in cornering. Also, we are adopting the silica high-end grip front compound to have the right feeling in all conditions, but with the main focus on the dry area. So here you really see the big improvement in terms of compound property linked to the performance in dry and even lower temperatures for Battlax SC2. The improvements are also roll linearity, high cornering grip performance, and of course the sporty behavior in terms of handling that we are looking for those maxi scooters. Battlax SC2 Rain, well, here we have another approach. We understood that the users from those maxi scooters that are more touring users, more commuting users, they need to have the right confidence in any condition. So for those guys, we really developed the right tire to fit on those kind of maxi scooters that is giving the whole confidence in any condition, from wet to dry, low temperatures, higher temperature as well. That's why the pattern design has been used from T31 that I just presented. So SC2 Rain is taking over the technical aspects from T31 as well in terms of sealant ratio adaptations and water drainage optimization. So here for the SC2 Rain, you really see, compared to its predecessor, that the improvement in terms of compounding and the properties linked to that are really in the lower range where wet conditions are part of. Here we have an overview from the spider charts. Well, SC2 Rain, you really see where was the focus in terms of performance improvement. Was the wet overall performance for sure, but also the real wet limit behavior on how the tire is behaving at those conditions. And SC2 really makes a step up in terms of dry performance to give you the thrilling performance that you really need when you're out with your maxi scooter, with your sport tire. Of course, same approach, all these improvements without sacrificing any wear life on our predecessor.